Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting from Leisure Arts / Diamond Dots Santa. This diamond painting was purchased from Joanne, although I did buy it online, not in the physical store, because as far as I know, it is available only online. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is 12 by 12 inches, at least the design size, which we need, 12 by 12 inches. And this kit comes with 22 colors. One of the colors is AB, precisely the white one. The rest are regular resin drills, although I did make a few, well, actually one enhancement over here. I replaced AB drills, white AB drills that are supposed to be on the glasses with the transparent crystals, just to show the effect of the lenses, if it is possible to say so. I diamond painted it really very fast. It took me less than 2 days to complete it, the total maybe like 10 hours in total. And it was a pleasure to diamond paint. Again, as always, a very high quality polyester canvas, very sticky adhesive, highest quality drills. And you can see the result. The color blending is amazing, and thanks to this professional color blending, the final result looks really very itemized, with high definition, very detailed. I'm in love with this picture. I mean, thanks for the beautiful color selection. You can see every single wrinkle on the fur coat of Santa. You can feel the softness of the fur on the head. Amazing. And the face looks also really very itemized for such a small size. It's just 12 by 12 inches is a really very small size, yet the picture looks really very sharp and detailed. And as to the sparkle is even more intense than what you see on the screens. So I'm in love with this picture. The price was around $10 or $13. It was on sale. I believe it is still on sale. So if you are thinking on whether to purchase or not, I would highly recommend it, because I'm in love with the result. This is the original picture. You can compare both the final outcome and the preview picture on the box, and decide for yourself whether you like it or not. For me, it looks almost identical. I even like the completed picture more because the colors look fuller and more vibrant. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to frame this picture and we'll see how it's gonna look. So that's how the picture looks framed. The frame was bought in Michael's. I do not remember the price. As far as I remember, it was buy one, get one free. It is a very simple frame, as always. It is plastic, but it does look like silver. So in any case, the glass does not take away the sparkle. The sparkle is still very, very intense of the camera. So I'm really very happy with the final result. I like how it turned out, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it away, but I think it will be a really very good gift for Christmas. And again, take into consideration just a little tip. I really love how the lenses look in the glasses with this transparent sparkles. It does look like real glass, right? I love it. So I think it is a really good tip to customize the glasses with the transparent crystals instead of AB diamonds. It looks more natural. I mean, the glasses look way more realistic than if ABs were used in it instead, as it was recommended by the original designers. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. The link to this kit will be in the description box below, although I'm not sure, maybe it's already sold out. Thank you and see you soon.